How to add music to your videos on CapCut. So when you are editing a video, this is the screen that you are going to come to. In order to add music to it, you can see on the bottom of the screen there is a bar. On the left side there's edit and then audio. We are going to click on audio. From here we can then scroll and see our different audio options, and we are going to click on the first option, which is sounds. This is going to bring up all of the music that the CapCut library has. Little plus sign, and it is then going to add it to our video. Do not forget to trim the audio to the end of your video. By doing that, you're going to click on the audio itself, and you're going to line it up with right where your video ends. Click split, and then all of this chunk right here that is after your video, you will then click on delete.